You know, it's been raining for the last, we got almost 36 hours of straight rain. I don't know what the totals are, but it's a lot. So everything is soggy, nasty. So I'm gonna make another trip out here, check on the chickens, go look at the, it's like sleeping pigs. I think today is gonna be a perfect day to go pick raspberries. They're in full bloom, and there should be plenty of them to get. Let's see what the little chickens are doing. You can hardly see them there. We'll go around the other side. Looks like they're getting a little warm, so I may turn that light off for a little while. It's like everybody's doing good though. Oh, I found a bug. What are you doing? And I'll unplug their. I'll unplug the heat lamp for a few minutes and let it cool off a little in there. It got kind of cool here last night, so I left it on all day. And these two dummies always dumping their food out. What are y'all doing? You always want to get a hold of your pants or your shoestrings or something. Here comes the belly rubs. Spoiled little piggies. Quit chewing on me. We can go over here and check and see how the roof's drying out since all the rain. I'm glad I didn't have any of the decking up on the roof of the house itself where you can see it all from below. It's really don't want to have to go through and sand all of that, so if we can keep it dry it'll be better. This turned out okay though. I mean, this is a porch. If it'll be, I can sandblast it or media blast it and it won't be that big a deal if I have to. But we'll let this dry out. I'll go grab some stuff right quick and we'll pick some berries. You can see all the tracks through here. All the grass is pushed down. That's from the black bears coming through here. I'm not the only one out here that likes these raspberries. The black bears we have, they like them too. And right now, there's several female bears up here with some little baby cubs with them, and they can get kind of grouchy. So that's why I've got a pistol with me, just so I can scare one off in case I bump into her out here. Normally, the bears don't bother you. If you see them or they see you, they just take off or keep their distance. But it's a little different when they have some little cubs with them. They get pretty defensive. There was two right over there by the cabin just a week or two ago, standing up fighting right there, what, 15 feet from the house. So I'll be sure that if they come over here by me, I'll have something to try to scare them away. I'm just going to rinse these off in cold water. I'll let them sit for about 10 minutes, and all the little pieces of grass and sticks and everything else will kind of separate out, and the bugs and the ants and everything else that's in here that we don't want. And we'll get them cleaned up and bagged up. I think I'm going to make wine this year. I thought about making preserves, but it's been a while since I made any wine, so be a good little late summer project. I'm gonna need about 15 pounds of berries. Right now I have probably 3 or 4. I don't have that much. But there'll be more coming in. It'll get ripe pretty soon. It won't take long and I'll have 15 pounds, and Then it'll be time for making wine. Separate some of this stuff out. So what do you guys think I should do? Which way should I go with the raspberries when I get enough? Should I make wine or should I make preserves out of it? I don't really eat a lot of preserves. I don't eat a lot of sugar or sweets. I do on occasion, but not that often. I'd end up giving it all away anyway. Or should I go with the wine? There again, I'm not a big wine drinker, but it's easy to make, it's fun. And I'll share the whole process when I do it. So if somebody else wants to make some and don't know how to do it, they can follow along and do it out of whatever fruit they want. It's all basically the same. So it's a lot easier than you think it is. So leave some comments down below. I guess when I get enough, 15, 20 pounds, I'll get started, and I guess we'll just wait till then to see what we're gonna make.